So Samsung's about to drop its best mid-range phone, the Galaxy A56, in just a couple of days. This thing's got some pretty solid upgrades over last year's model, and I'm going to break down the 8 big changes for you. So first up, the design, or more specifically, the camera module. We've got hands-on images and official renders, and yeah, Samsung has revamped the camera module with a fresh design, floating camera similar to the S25, replacing the older individual module style used across their phones in the past few years. And the one big change is in the selfie camera. The 12-megapixel selfie camera is a downgraded megapixels compared to the previous 32 megapixels. But the new sensor is bigger, allowing for better image quality and more natural bokeh. Now let's talk charging speed. The A56 supports 45 watts fast charging, outpacing the $800 Galaxy S25, which is still stuck at 25 watts. This gives the A56 a significant edge in charging speed, especially considering it has a 5,000 milliamp hour battery. The A56 is launching with One UI 7 right out of the box. It ships with One UI 7, adding AI features and making the user experience smoother. The phone will receive 6 years of software support, which is a huge improvement over the A55's 4 years of support, bringing it close to flagship-level support. Samsung will continue rolling out updates all the way up to Android 21, which honestly is pretty impressive. A couple of other nice upgrades: Bluetooth 5.4, WAN, Wi-Fi 6E. Now let's talk about the performance of the phone. Samsung Galaxy A56 powered by the Exynos 1580 chip built on a 4-nanometer process. It's about 15 to 20% faster in CPU performance and 37% better in graphics than last year's model. Still, for gaming, it may not be the best option, especially when compared to flagship models like the S25 series. If you're looking for gaming performance or want a more powerful phone overall, the Galaxy S24 FE might be a better option, though it costs about $200 more. It offers better cameras, a better chipset, and a more polished overall experience. Now let's talk about the software support. The A56 will get Android 15 and continue to receive updates up to Android 21, which is impressive for a mid-range phone. So if you like my video, give a thumbs up and subscribe.